Hello, this is a quick introduction to the final project in CIS3108. If you go into Blackboard and into our course, you'll find a link on the left labeled Final Project. Under that, you'll see the description of the final project. And today, you're going to have to break into teams that you choose of 2 to 3 students. You can't have more than 3, and you can't have less than 2, so it has to be 2 to 3 students each. And your job is to get together as a team and then select a application that you want to go through. What we're going to do is go through the system development lifecycle. Generally, we follow an 8-phase system development methodology, but in this class, we're going to focus on the first 5 phases of the project. And we want you to pick a real organization and a real project. Although you're not going to implement the project, it helps to have a specific actual project in mind to talk about. There at the bottom of this, there are links to some ideas, final projects, so project ideas. If you click on that, you'll see some details on some past projects students have looked at, including some HIM related projects and some general ideas. So we've had students who've worked at Subway analyze how they monitor their temperatures in the food distribution system. We've had people do lawn care organizations. We've had a number of different views of hospitals. Well, again, this is a small project, so we don't want to take on an entire electronic healthcare record or imaging system, but here's a list of some past ideas. In nursing homes, some patient assignment system, even a medication or just a record tracking system, or a system to track incomplete medical charts. So something specific, if a real estate inventory system with house listings are available, photography studios, a travel system for an athletic department at a college, a vet clinic system, a small library cataloging, a barcode tracking system, roommate selection system, something like that. So what I suggest to you is get together as your team and start sharing experiences. Where have you worked? Where have you volunteered? What organization? So if someone in the group has volunteered at the local animal shelter and knows somewhat how they post information to Facebook or something like that, you can analyze that system and decide on a way to improve it. So we need to have you select an actual system and an improvement that's needed on that system. What your team will go through in the next 2 weeks is they'll complete these documents as part of this. This is a team project, but the actual assignments are each completed individually. So you as a team will decide what to do, and you'll share all the results together, but individual people, so one person in the team will do the statement of work and get up to 10 points on it. Another person, or the same person, one individual will do the Gantt and PERT charts, and that's worth 10 points. Someone else might grab existing documents for the system and get 5 points for each of the up to three existing documents. Your job is to go through here, and is worth up to 100 points. There are 327 points available. Each student can earn up to 100 points on this project, and your job is to keep working until you get to 100 points, or the point you want. I will correct these assignments every other day and keep you updated through Blackboard on how much credit you've got on each project and how close you are to reaching the 100-point max. To actually turn in the assignments, there's actually an assignment folder here, and these are all listed in Blackboard. So these are all the assignments for the project. And so if you're doing one of these, you will log in and turn this particular project in to get points for it. We are on a pretty tight time frame for this. And in fact, the first set of documents, the statement of work for your project and a Gantt chart and a cover page, is all due by midnight on Wednesday the 24th. So I expect you to get in groups and make progress today deciding on your project, and we'll have all day on, we'll have part of the day on Wednesday to work on this also. And I would suggest today, by the end of the day, you should have your teams and your project selected and decide who's going to work on these first set of assignments. Sorry I couldn't be here today, but I had other obligations. I will be around before and after class to answer questions. Thank you.